Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Purastat 5 cleanser. In the words of Aspect, cleansers are the first step in every effective skin transformation journey. The Purastat 5 is a gentle exfoliating cleanser. Purastat 5 effectively renews your skin and complexion by the use of organic hydrofoam, which is derived from coconut and sugar. It gently unplugs congested pores, discouraging imperfections and lifting away those dead skin cells and debris. So it's not going to leave your skin feeling dry or tight. Instead, it will replenish skin hydration thanks to the inclusion of lactic milk extracts. So this milk extract is known for its ability to penetrate and attract moisture into the skin's deepest layers and lock it into place. The result is a dramatic increase in skin hydration that persists for up to 4 hours. This cleanser is great if your concern is pigmentation, sun damage, congested skin, oily skin, or normal skin. To use, you would simply lather up 2 to 3 pumps into clean hands and massage over the whole face. Rinse well with water or your favorite face cloth. Now the cleanser works great with any of your recommended Aspect moisturizers. If you would like to purchase the Purastat 5 cleanser, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below.